Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Accord speakers. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a panel removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need your new speakers, typically 5 inches for most Accord models. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work to ensure your safety throughout the process. Next, we'll remove the door panel. Begin by using your trim removal tool to carefully pry up the window switch panel. Disconnect the electrical connectors underneath. Look for and remove any screws, often one behind the door handle and one in the armrest pocket. Once all screws are out, gently pry around the edges of the door panel to release the clips, then lift the panel upwards and off. Now it's time to replace the speakers. You'll see the old speaker mounted in place, usually secured by 3 or 4 screws. Unscrew these, then carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the speaker. Take your new speaker, connect its wiring harness, and then mount it into the same location. Ensure it's seated properly and all screws are tightened to prevent vibrations. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, pushing firmly to engage all the clips. Reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connectors to the window switch panel and snap it back into place. Don't forget to reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Turn on your car and test the new speakers to enjoy your upgraded audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.